She may be a very good Home Secretary, but that also seems to me to be inconsistent with what she told the House of Commons. And that will be the issue tomorrow, I'm quite sure. Can I ask you about going forward? There's been some reports in the papers today that on the table in the EU negotiations is the possibility of other EU nationals, nationals from other countries coming to this country with preferential status after we leave the EU, better status in terms of going for British jobs, access to the NHS, access to social security and so forth. Is that on the table?
Well, we've already got the agreement with Europe in December, the agreement we had there for EU citizens who are in the country already, roughly 3.5 million EU citizens to get settled status. Obviously, we're now in the negotiations about what happens through the implementation period and moving on to the negotiation about the final stages. I'm not going to prejudge what David Davis and the Prime Minister will be able to negotiate.
No, but the question is really going ahead whether EU citizens have access to this country on preferential status, or preferential background.
Well, EU citizens who are in this country already will have the ability to get settled status. And people who come, as we've already outlined, EU citizens who come here in the implementation period with the ability, there'll be a slightly different system which they'll have to register, but the ability to go forwards for settled status. The situation after the implementation period hasn't been decided yet.
All right.